4029's Jonathan Roselle is live. Jonathan, what are you seeing right now?
Well, Emily, you can look at the amount of hail in front of me here. It looks as if it snowed out here, and you take a look, you'll see that what a lot of people are seeing here is pea-sized to marble-sized hail out here right now. Now, this yard I'm standing in right now, it was covered with hail, but about the last hour or so, that melted away. Now, I've seen some cars with damage to the side, some dents in some cars, as well as one car with the back window knocked out, some homes with some holes in the siding of the house, and some gutter with those bent down. Now, a lot of people are telling me it came down hard and fast, but they took cover inside of their homes as well as under anything they could really find out here. Luckily, no one was hurt. Live in Witcherville, Jonathan Roselle, 4029 News.